Hi guys! So I recently went to Bhutan, and before I share all the adventures that I did there, I thought why not share what all I shopped? So here is everything I shopped from Bhutan. I'm not going to follow any order and I'm just going to pick out whatever comes out from this bag. And also, this is the takin, which is the national animal of Bhutan, if I'm not wrong. And let's get started. So, very randomly, the first thing that my sister and I got are these clips. Look, they're so cute, and we got matching. She got in purple, I got in blue. She wore hers there, I didn't, but now I'm gonna wear them. Next, we came across a Miniso there, and I picked this foot cream. I haven't opened it as you can see till now, and this was not available in India, so I thought why not pick this up and try it for myself. The next thing I got is this keychain, and don't get, aggravated by this. This is a phallus keychain. In Bhutan, it holds a very special meaning. It is for good luck, prosperity, and to drive evil away. And yeah, I got this one. It's so cute. The next thing I got are these perfumes. This is a solid perfume and this is a spray perfume. And honestly, both of them smell really great and they're unisex. So I and my husband are going to share them. So yeah, these are the next things I got. We randomly went to a Koja store and we got these two things. One is the Starbucks keychain. I love coffee and I love Starbucks, so why not? And then we got these M&M hairbands as well. Again, we went randomly to pharmacy store and we found this Dove body lotion. This is the Body Love beauty cream for face and body. I haven't seen this in India and I thought why not get it there, and it was really cheap. It was just like 300 or maybe lesser than that. Then we went to a very artistic jewelry store and from there I got this bracelet. It is so cute. Look at the pattern. It is apparently one of the most sold patterns over there and it costed me 600 bucks. Down to the last few things, and I was very particular when it comes to my magnets to get the one of the Tiger Monastery. And yes, I got that, guys. This one, I had to source this. I had to search this so much. It was out of stock almost everywhere. But Paro mein mujhe ye mil gaya. So this is one that I got. And I also got this cute one. This is so cute. This is just because I got this just because it's cute. And the last thing in this shopping haul is this Buddha hanging. As you can see, it is so beautiful. It is so rustic. And I'm still contemplating where to put this up. But this is so pretty. I hope you guys like this random, cute, small mini haul and stay tuned for all the Bhutan content.